Hello and welcome back to part 2. I will be doing a bivariate analysis next. We are looking at the same same data set provided to me through the University of Kentucky. So with the same sample size of 30, the first thing I did to determine a relationship between two variables is I ran a crosstab or a cross tabulation. I looked at gender for one variable and then the research attitude for the second variable. And what this table shows is out of 13 respondents that had a positive attitude, 61.5% were female, 38.5% were male. And out of all females in the sample, 26.7% had a positive attitude about the research, and out of all males, 16.7% had a positive attitude. Skip on down here to negative attitude. You'll see that it was, as far as total respondents and gender, it was pretty equal, actually equal with just this subsample of 6 too. Of 6 as well. So this shows more females had a positive attitude, less males had a positive attitude. More females felt neutral about it, less males felt neutral about it when you take the sample into a whole. Next thing I did was a paired sample t-test to determine the relationship between gender and the question, I was bothered by things that usually don't bother me. So right here under means or average, for gender, the response options were 0, 1, 1, 2, and 3. So in this situation, it's not necessarily significant right here, but for the second variable, 1.53, remember it was the 4-point Likert scale. So there was an average response of 1.53. And then the standard deviation was 0.49 and 0.86, which is normal standard spread of variables. And then where we find the significance or not significant relationship is going to be right here under the paired samples correlation. So neither for the one-sided or two-sided tail, there was not a statistical significance in the relationship between gender and that question. If it were statistically significant, it would be 0.05 or less, and we are at 0.7. So technically speaking, we could stop right here because none of this is going to matter since there is not a statistical significance with the relationship between gender and this question. So thank you for watching.